Love you 3,000.
And habak 3,000 from UAE.
Love you 3,000.
Ti amo 3,000.
Para kami dahil 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel. You need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, wag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. Do never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasadilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko, tapos ninanote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet?
Hey Miranda, this is Mentor Luke.
And I'm Mentor Oliver.
Do you know what's happening on September 29?
Sa araw na ito, meron tayong event called Open University.
So ano nga ba ang Open University?
In this event, we are going to answer all your questions about Elite University, including enrollment procedures, frequently asked questions, combo packages, at yung bootcamp.
So if you are interested and excited to start your cryptocurrency trading journey, type ELITE in the comment section below.
See you this September 29, Miranda, and
We love you 3,000!
Hello mga kamiranda. Hello mga kamiranda. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, no? And sige, kinig muna kayo ng music natin dyan, and let's start this morning or this Friday morning a very, very productive day, no?
time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Shout out to Charles, hello. Shout out to Paul, Jillian, who's watching right now. We actually have 100 plus viewers right now. Share nyo na to sa mga friends ninyo, family, lahat, kakilala, kapitbahay, everyone, no? Alam ko nasa trabaho kayo or papasok pa lang sa trabaho, but let's start this day, a very meaningful day for us, no?
So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws.
Tapos shoutout din pala no sa mga mentees ko. Hello, Sir Bryce, Sir Josh, Jella, hello. And sino pa ba? Dami kong mentee. Pero yeah, I'm giving you guys a shout out, and then kay coach din, no? And then later on may play ako na video para sa inyo, and konting message ito ni coach sa atin, no? Or reminder, no? This is a fresh video lang talaga, as in. So what's gonna be happening today is we're gonna be doing technical charting, and then we're just gonna be having a bit of talk, usap lang ng mabilis. Tapos I want na panood nyo naman yung Open University commercial natin, so invite your friends, no, na mag-join dyan. That will happen up to September 29. All you just have to do is to register on that link doon sa what do you call this? So may punta lang kayo ng Facebook page natin, and then there will be a link that you have to where you have to register in order for you to magkaroon ng access sa Zoom, no? So that's an open university. So basically from there we're just gonna be answering FAQs, paano ba yung enrollment process and everything, any questions, no? As in. So invite your friends dyan, no? Invite your friends dyan. So excuse me. So shout out to Patani, hello. Reg, Paul, Michael Mercado. Yeah, we're gonna chart Luncy later on. Ang fresh lang. Ang fresh lang. Oo. So should I be watching this or continue my module po? It's really up to you, Mark, pare. Pero yeah, thank you for giving me your time, no? Alam ko sa inyo, like what I've said kanina, papasok pa lang sa work, or pauwi pa lang ng work, or kakagising lang, pero you guys stay tuned. Thank you. And then shout out to Lancelot, hello. Team Discord, Team Twitter, hello. So, like what I've said, no, meron akong ipi-play na video sa inyo, na itong mabilis lang na video. It's a 3-minute video, na bago tayo pumunta sa charting natin today, and sa program natin, no. So, it's thank God it's Friday, no? So thank God it's Friday kasi weekend na naman bukas. Ano ba masarap na gawin pag Friday, guys? Comment nyo nga. Ano ba masarap na gawin pag Friday? Usually, ano bang ginagawa nyo? It's been parang tapos na yung week mo, naging productive ka na ba? Ano bang ginagawa nyo kapag Friday na? Ano bang mga masarap gawin? Parang masarap mamaya, no? Friday. Munggo day. Actually, munggo yung ulam namin. Munggo yung ulam namin, no? So, mamaya kung nami-miss nyo si Coach, later on may play ako na video where he gave his reminder, no? And fresh na fresh yung video na yun, guys. Inom minsan pag nananalo. Haha. Spend time with fam. Yan, nagluluto ng munggo. Alfonso Day. After working hard, play even harder. Baby time. Wow, sana all. Sana all, no? Ako, what I usually do when I was working in corporate before, pag Friday, usually may mga ganap yan eh. May mga ganap. Syempre, after a long, tiring, stressful day sa weekdays, no? Pag Friday, usually, occasionally drinking, and then yun, kape na kayong lahat, no? Weekend run. Talk of day, Friday. Friday. Yeah. So, anyway guys, hindi ko na patatagalin pa, no? I want you to watch this very, very focus, no? Kasi dito, magbibigay si Coach ng reminder niya. Na-post na to sa Facebook and I believe some of you guys already watched this, but this is just a set of reminder for us kung ano ba yung gagawin natin. And for sure, nami-miss nyo si Coach, no? For sure, nami-miss nyo yan si Coach, no? So, please watch this one and mag-mute muna ako. Thank you guys. Hold on.
Hey ka Miranda. Good morning. Kape tayo. Alam mo, one of the things na napansin ko lang kagabi is yung mga crypto miners, ang baba ng mga income, no? In fact, negative yung yield rate if you're going to use the current kilowatt per hour, lalo na sa mga Visayas area, medyo mahal. Pag umabot ka ng mga 9 pesos, pwede ka pa maging profitable or kumukuha ka sa solar. Pero talagang negative ngayon, no? Ang baba ng price ng mga coins, mababa yung price ng mga coins, and what's going up is the difficulty. Unless this changes, talagang struggle muna ang mga crypto miners. Even RVN ngayon from a mining perspective. RVN, ETH, no? Talagang this needs to change. And if this does not change, this can potentially remove the weak hands in crypto mining. Tapos, isa rin sa mga napansin natin na noong mga nakaraang araw or kahapon, one of our reminders is this particular price movement of the Ethereum merge is already priced in, which makes sense, and nag-agree naman yung market. And nanotice naman ninyo na pagbaba din doon sa support natin, talagang doon siya humataw pababa. So I think what's important today, Miranda, on this morning is we really make sure as a trader na kuhain natin yung mga support and resistances natin. Particularly kahapon nung nag-live ng mga mentors, yung talagang support, ang dami naka-support areas Siguro mga 10 coins based on my charts. And true enough, during the live, nag-retest ng support, nagbagsakan Sinalo lang ng most immediate swing low. So Miranda, grabe ang market ngayon. Pag hindi ka sanay sa market na to, then let it let it simmer down. And what's important, Miranda, is your capital is complete and preserved. Huwag mong piliting habulin yung mga ibang traders na nakikita mong profitable because they might have a different risk profile or risk parameters than you. So, yung kape natin sa umaga today is going to be, I hope that we always exercise looking for our support and resistance. I wish all the best sa mga crypto miners, and let's be always particular with our capital. No? Yan ang ating magiging sandata on becoming sustainable on this market. Okay? So I wish you a good morning, Miranda, and see you mga beginner batch later on this 12 o'clock. Thank you.
Ayun. So, narinig nyo ba ang reminder sa atin ni Coach, no? So, sobrang fresh niyan, as in, like, he literally shoot it kanina lang, no, habang nagkakape siya, no? So, sobrang cool, di ba? Sobrang ganda ng sobrang ganda ng reminder niya sa atin, no? And I hope you listen, no? I hope you guys listen. And then, syempre, dadagdagan natin yan ng mga busog-lusog na charting, no? Kasi we charted last night sa Thursday live with the mentors, and then right now we're also going to chart today. Comment down below, ano ba yung mga nyo, no? Ano ba yung mga gusto nyong i-chart natin, no? Hi Carl, good morning din sa'yo, no? Enjoy dyan sa Bora. Naririnig na naman yung kuliglig. Naririnig na naman ba yung kuliglig? So, we're gonna be TA, Luncy, Bitcoin, of course, Bitcoin. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's deep dive to our charting today. Siguro let's chart RVN, Luncy, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then, ano pa ba yung mga chinart namin kagabi? So, we're gonna do reinforcement charting, no? Of course, Bitcoin, yeah. So, type 1 ka, Miranda, kung excited na. Type 1 kung excited ka na sa ating charting today, no? So, I'm seeing near, flow, Ethereum, yeah. We're gonna be charting all of those, no? Ethereum. ETH, kung kamusta yung ginawang scalp kagabi. I actually scalped Ethereum. Mamaya, ano natin yan. Ayun, ang dami ng excited, no? Very good. So, sige. Let's do charting na, no? Let's do charting. If you could just give me a minute or two. Let me just go to my trading view right now. Hold on. Okay, so we're actually with Bitcoin right now. Technically 19,706 at ito ay let's see ano bang sumusupport kay Bitcoin. We're on an hourly time frame. Let's go on a daily time frame first. Technically we have if you do your naked charting, this is what I'm using, no? This 2-year support level area. There you go. So, ilalagay lang natin to dyan. Kasi that is very valid. 2-year support, no? Kita nyo naman na nakaraan dyan tayo nagkaroon ng bounce. And it's possible for us to retest that again, no? In big picture charting, yes. It's still possible that we might retest this again. This line again, no? So, let's see what's going to happen. But let's go to 4 hours time frame. Technically, we're still on a breakdown, no? Ang nag-correct dito is just to follow up, no? Ang nag-correct sa atin dito was the 0.618 level or the 22,700 range. And then, that's the reason bakit tayo bumaba. And then, nagkaroon ng correction. And this is because of the CPI result. Right now, we are on the mercy of identifying a support, no? Identifying a support. So, yung reinforce ko yung sinasabi ni coach na do not buy long this market yet, especially if you're an intraday trader. You can do scalp, wait for trendline resistance breakout with right hand. Mabilisan lang, no? Mga relief rally lang yung inaano natin, yung kukunin natin. Kasi end of the day, we are still on a bearish trend. Okay? On your higher market trend, we're still on a bearish trend, no? So do not buy long the market yet until you see a trendline resistance breakout with right hand on a scalping perspective. Okay? So, ano ba ang sumusupport kay Bitcoin right now, no? Let's see. From swing low to swing high, technically binasag niya na yung 0.618 at ito na yung nagiging support natin. This one. Around 19,550. No? 19,550. And is this a strong support? Medyo strong support naman siya, but let's see, no? We are on the mercy of waiting on the market, especially na we have bias to bear, no? We've retested this couple of times already. Right now, if you go to 15 minutes, nagkaroon naman ng bounce, no? Nagkaroon naman ng bounce. If we're going to scalp it on a lower time frame, like 5 minutes, no? Like what I've said, no? Use your Almucharting, your scalping 2.0 for you to get that major or that minor bounces. Or kapag nakakita kayo ng trendline resistance breakout, then you use this. Pwede kayong kumuha niyan, but that is scalping perspective only, no? So technically nagkakaroon ng bounce, pero ang pangit ng formation niya, guys, no? Sa 15 minutes, we're already seeing right hand or yung bullish divergence natin, no? So ito lang tatandaan nyo kay Bitcoin for now. We do have a resistance at 22,634, and our current support, as of the moment that we are talking right now, is at 19,552. 19,552. So, take note of this, no? Take note of this line. Pag ito bumasag, alam nyo na kung saan kukunin, no? Saan possible mag-bounce. Then, we might see a bounce on this 2-year level support ulit. Okay? 2-year level support ulit, no? So, on a perspective of a higher time frame, meron din tayong pinag-untugan na trendline resistance. This is what we've discussed the last time or kahapon, no? This is really valid as well, no? Meron din tayong resistance na nakaabang dito, and nakikita nyo naman na paliit na lang yung apex, right? Paliit na lang ng paliit yung possible niyang galawan. So, if I'm gonna forward test this, what could happen if this 2-year level support that we are seeing will support Bitcoin? We might see a consolidation from here. And then it's a matter of breaking out or breaking down, no? But like what I've said, the CPI result, no? The last time, it might, ano ba yung iniintay nating catalyst or possible catalyst, no? That will happen on September 21, yung FOMC meeting natin, no? However, if diniscuss ni Coach yan, if you remember nung Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, Wednesday. Tinignan niya, parang doon niya, tinuro niya doon kung if high CPI, ano yung possible na gawin ng Fed. Alright? Ano yung mga possible na mangyari? So, it's like Economics 101. So, please watch that video. Ako, nireplay ko yan paulit-ulit para mas ma-memorize ko and everything. Para, alam mo na kung paano mag-interpret ng market. And he explained it very, very easy for you. Miranda. Okay. I'm seeing questions right now. Let me just read it right now. Hold on, just give me a couple of seconds, guys. Left hand, meeting sa work. Right hand, meeting with mentor Justine. Congrats sa mga nakapasok sa TLSBD. Hi, mentor Justine. Pababa po lahat, bagsak almost all. Yeah. Correct. And we have a driver for that because we have a driver on that. Paano po nakuha yung 19,550 support, mentor? We use this one. Just give me a second. Eto, this one. Di ba sabi ni Coach nung nakaraan, no? You have to look at your left as well. No, it doesn't mean na kaliwa masamang bagay yun, no? Hindi dahil ganun yun. Oh, so, you have to do backtesting. Make sure if this support line that you are dinodrawing mo, that you are seeing is a valid one, no? So, tingin-tingin ka rin sa kaliwa minsan, no? Pero, sa trading lang namin pinapractice yan. Okay? Kasi sa amin nila Coach, no, and mga ibang mentors, loyal kami. I mean, right person lang talaga kami. So yun, no? So tingin-tingin din kayo sa kaliwa, yan, that's the reason why we got that 19,500 support range, no? So what is my action or what is my overall like perspective for Bitcoin? We're not gonna see, I'm not expecting a good rally for now, no? Kasi pwedeng mag-consolidate dito if the 19,500 will support, no? But then again, we are still biased on bearish. So, biased to short tayo eh. So, pag ganito, we do this, no? Pwede mag-consolidate yan dyan, no? You scalp it or you trade it inside the triangle. Alright? Inside of this triangle. Kapag, yan. Or, trade your altcoins. No? Later on, we're gonna be charting an altcoin, okay? Okay. Defensive mentor. Trading lang valid, mga very. Yeah. So you wait for it, no? You wait for it, but like what Coach Miranda Miner said, we're biased to short. No, we're biased to short. But if you see a trendline resistance breakout with right hand on a lower time frame, then you scalp it all the way up. Just don't expect major breakout. Yung mga nakikita nyong rally like this, don't expect this for now. Especially that market is waiting, no? We are on a wait and see pa rin, no? If waiting kung if they on the FOMC meeting on September 21, but if you were able to watch yung live ni Coach the last time, we are expecting a possible tawag dito, bearish sentiment on that part, no? Because of the CPI result has been high, was high nung CPI meeting na, yung CPI result natin, yung CPI live natin, I'm sorry. Talagang kakape muna ako. And then, so, that's my take for Bitcoin, no? I hope this 19,500 will support, but if not, then you look at the 2-year level support, then from there, we're gonna wait and see dyan, no? Trading lang ba mga liwa? Okay. So, any questions? Miranda, nakuha ba? Type 1 naman kung nakuha ang ating technical charting for Bitcoin before we go to Ethereum, to RVN, to Luncy. Any questions about that? And by the way, yun nga pala, no? See you guys sa natin, batch 40 natin. Batch 39 later, no? At 12 yung bootcamp. Nandiyan dyan si coach, magjo-join dyan si coach, no? So see you guys. I hope you were able to do your assignments, guys, ha? Hello, Mentor Justine. Ang gwapo mo pa. Umupo. Pwede makisit in sa bootcamp mamaya. That's for batch 39, guys, ha? Prediction on October market, Mentor. Bakit po lagi kayo mukhang fresh? Lagi mas fresh si coach. Nagwa 1,000 profit eh. Yeah. Okay. Yun. That's a good question. That's what I'm talking about, Ruel. If BTC breakdown on this 19,500 support, then I'll expect this trendline support that we are seeing, the 2-year level support, no? So ayan, no? So let's go to Ethereum. I guess alam nyo naman na, no? Let me just go ahead and Ethereum. There you go. So kay Ethereum, guys, this is my charting, no? We were able to scalp it all the way down kagabi, no? On this, from this trendline support na nakikita natin, there you go. And then I took profit on 1500. So how was I able to get that? Just give me a couple of seconds. Let me explain that to you real quick. From swing low to swing high, I used the 0.5. Okay, the 0.5 line. And actually, hindi ako literally dito kasi this is the top 1,454. I took profit dito lang sa immediate support. So mabilis lang siya, no? Mabilis lang siya. So, scalping perspective wise, no? Pero true enough, nagkakaroon ng bounce talaga dito, no? At 1,452, no? And that is your what? No? That is your 0.5 line, no? And if you're going to backtest it, that is a strong support for Ethereum. That is a strong support for Ethereum. And let's see if this will hold. All right? Let's see if this will hold. So from there, ayun na yun, no? Kumita tayo dyan, mabilisan lang, no? So this is for Ethereum. Kapag hindi nag-support itong 1,400 natin, then what we need to wait for is around this line at 1,366, no? So ganun lang ulit gagawin nyo. Pag hindi, 618. Why did I use this? Kasi pag tumingin ka sa kaliwa in trading, pag tinignan mo sa kaliwa, merong support dati. So, we're going to consider and we're going to give respect to that. Okay? Ang daming galaw dito. Okay. And yun nga pala, Miranda, no? If, or for those new viewers natin today, if you are interested to enroll, please visit our website, www.globalmirandaminer.com, and please follow us in all of our social platforms. Facebook, Coach Miranda Miner or Global Miranda Miner group sa Facebook, and then sa Twitter, Coach Miranda Miner. Follow nyo, hindi Coach Miranda Merienda. Hindi ganon, okay? Coach Miranda Miner. Okay, so follow nyo yon. And then Instagram, and then feel free to join in our Discord channel. That's for free. All you just have to do is to get verified. And then sa group natin sa Facebook, we also have, and you'll see a lot of testimonials, thousands of testimonials that showing that the effectivity of our system, no? So ayun, that's for Ethereum. And then who's next? No, who's next? Okay. Let's chart Luncy. Maraming nag-aano kay Luncy, si Luncy, guys. This is the 618 na kinuha ko before, no. I think this is the 618 line. Pero I'll use extension for this one, no. Para hindi kayo malilito. Pero kinuha kasi natin yan doon. So technically, this is still a 618 line. On your hold on, guys. Micro Fibonacci level, no. So delete na natin to. We have that already. So this is we're being supported by previous auras, no? This is a previous auras. That's the reason nagkakaroon ng bounce dyan. If you go to 1 hour, maghinay-hinay muna, ha? May resistance yan. You wait for breakout. Okay? You wait for breakout. Huwag kayong ma-hype kay Luna. Kay Luncy, rather. Huwag kayong ma-hype kay Luncy. So, dyan, you wait for confirmation. There's a good volume naman. Yeah, there's a good volume naman. Just in case magkaroon ng breakout, make sure to plan your exit right away. Then again, if this is outside your risk parameter, then don't trade it. Ako, I'm gonna be transparent. I'm not trading Luncy kasi medyo volatile siya for me. I think I'm still on a process of, trying to trade the coin, no? Although tinitrade ko yan dati, no? Pero hindi pa siya ganoon ka-volatile. But right now, volatile naman. Sobrang volatile niya. So make sure that before you trade this, you are well equipped, no? In terms of your skills, in terms of your emotion, everything. Okay? Before you will able to trade that coin, no? Huwag kayo mafo-FOMO. Hindi pwedeng basta pasok lang ng pasok. But on full technical analysis, full technical perspective for Luncy, we are seeing a trendline resistance. So, ingat kayo dito. Hintayin nyo na lang yan. Tingnan natin kung nagkakaroon ng retracement doon. Mukhang hindi, no? Mukhang bubuta siya. So, I will wait for this one too. Wait natin yan, si Luncy. Kaya natin yan doon sa taas. Yan, perfect. So, that's what I'm waiting for, Luncy. Type 1, Miranda, kung nakuha kay Luncy, kung guided kay Luncy. Okay? Type 1. Malinaw naman, Miranda, no? Okay, very good. Sige. Let's go to RVN. Ito yung tinitrade ni Kuya Luke, no? Si Coach na trade to, actually, I was waiting for this last night, no? Kaso I was able to trade na kay Ethereum, so natulugan ko na siya. But to be honest, I'm waiting for this. Pero, where is RVN, though? Hold on. Ito. Ayun, no? Ang ganda, oh. Sasayang. Pero okay lang. Excuse me. So, for RVN, we already have a charting. I will use this Fibonacci line. Just give me a moment. I'll use this Fibonacci. Ito muna. Yan. There you go. So, makikita nyo, we had a breakdown. No? We had a breakdown. And then, if we're gonna go to daily time frame, this is Bing X. Hold on. Let me just put RVN on Binance tayo. Yan. Para magkaroon tayo ng mas madaming chart. Okay. Meron itong trendline resistance, no? Ito yung nakita namin sa Mentors Live last night. So, just give me a second or two. Okay, meron tayong trendline resistance dito. The more, the merrier tayo. Okay, very good. So, there, nagkaroon ng untog dyan. But, technically, if we're gonna use extension here, tingnan natin kung saan ito talaga na untog, no? Ayun. So, we have 1.618 at naugdog din dun sa resistance niya. That's the reason RVN is having a drawdown right now. MACD-wise, no? MACD-wise, lightening na siya. So, maghinay-hinay na muna. 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hours. May left hand na din. And then, let's try to plot the trendline support, no? The trendline support that we are seeing. So, the more the merrier tayo. Ayun. Ang ganda naman. Ang sexy naman nito. Okay. So, 1 hour, we had a week-to-week natin yan. Okay, perfect. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, yun. So, kung na-trade nyo ito, congratulations sa mga kumita kay RVN. So, very good, no? Very good. Ito, meron, kung na-trade nyo to, grabe yan. Sobrang, ang laki na itong percent na to. If you were able to trade, grabe, 18%. Okay, so pag ganun, what am I going to do now? No? Nakikita ako may 618. So, intayan nyo ng 618 possible bounce area, no? Possible bounce. Kasi nag-late magic na, no? So, nagkaroon ng breakdown. So, currently on a breakdown. So, I'll wait for this 0.618 line. No, this is my immediate support, no? This is my immediate support. So, don't trade this yet, no? Don't trade this. Wait for the bounce, no? Wait for the bounce. You can scalp it all the way out. Magbabounce yan. Tingin ko magbabounce naman yan dyan. Kasi as you can see, this is a strong, if you tumingin ka ulit sa kaliwa. May strong support. Okay, may strong support dun. No, may strong support. So, that is the importance of what? Tumingin sa kaliwa. Hindi, that's the importance of backtesting. Okay? That's the importance of backtesting. Okay? So, in this case, meron tayong support dito. So, you wait for this one. Technically, don't do buy long muna. Okay? Don't catch this falling knives. Swear. Baka masunog kayo dyan, no? I have the same chart. Thank you, Coach. I like the day time frame chart correction. Good job, Justin. Thank you, Coach. Power of Naked. Yeah. Oo, yun, no? So, sometimes pag nagtitrade ka, Miranda, you have to look at the bigger chart, no? You have to zoom out for you to be able to understand the whole market situation. Kung ano na ba nangyayari. Kasi sometimes tayo, nag-correct doon. Anong meron doon? Wala. Nakakita ka lang ng trendline support breakdown. One of the key things that you have to identify is there is a reason bakit nag-correct yan dun. So, you have to identify that. As a trader, you have to understand the big picture charting first. You have to understand the market cycle. Asan ka na ba? Tinuturo natin yan sa intermediate class, no? So, yun, no? Hindi na kayo maliligaw. So, from there, alam mo na kung nasang situation yung market. So, if it's pullback, syempre, hindi mo ilulong. More on shorting bias ka. And that's the reason na ang daming kumita na Miranda natin dyan. So, yun. Type 1 kung malinaw kay RVN. No? So, we were able to chart Bitcoin, Ethereum, RVN, Luncy. Sino pa ba? Sino pa ba i-chart natin? Sabi ni Rita, good AM coach sa lahat ng Miranda. Wish ko talaga maka-enroll. Enroll ka na, Rita. We do have a elite packages still available for you. Yun. ETC. Okay. Si Near nga pala, no? Okay. Sige, I promise Near pala, no? Sige. Let's chart Near. I think we do have Near dito. Grabe, pababa na to. Okay. So, pero may nakikita ako na support. No. Let's see bakit nag-correct to doon. May nakikita na ako na support na nakaabang kay Near. Let me use this one. Okay. So, sasama ko na tong week na to. Ayun. Alright. So, we have a immediate support dito sa trendline support natin. Technically, the reason why we had a drawdown is because saan ba ito nag-correct? 618. Okay. So, nag-correct tayo sa 0.618 line. Delete natin to. Let's go to 4 hours. Pababa. Nagkaroon ng left hand. 1 hour, nagkaroon din ng left hand. That's the reason we had a breakdown. So, right now, we are on the mercy of, basag na rin yung 618 na ito eh. Basag na rin yung 618, no? So, pag ganito, Miranda, tingnan natin. Ano ang iyong gagawin, no? Anong gagawin natin? Hold on. Let's try to use this one. Okay. Naglolo ko yung aking... Okay. Let's use this. So we have an immediate support. If we're gonna be talking about immediate support, we do have for near around 4.08. So this is your immediate support, like there. Pag hindi, pag binasag, then we expect this trendline support na nakikita natin, ha? Okay, so technically pababa pa rin naman, no? Pababa pa rin. So if you're able to get this, ang ganda nito, perfect anatomy, no? Perfect anatomy. So you wait for that line, no? You wait for that line. Okay? Yeah, wait and see. Si Maymay daw, sand. So we had 6 already, no? Sige, sand. Chart natin si sand. And then Cardano. Ay, hindi. Sige, si sand na lang muna. And then, let's have a talk. Okay. Okay, sand. Naku, mukhang may matanda na ding support si sand. So, same kay Bitcoin, no? Let's do week to week. Ayun. So, currently, nasa ano tayo, no? Nasa may support line tayo. Or mukhang bumubutas ng support, no? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nag-bounce tayo doon. Kinorek. Interesting. I'm gonna use that one. So, currently, nasa support tayo. Mukhang bubutas pa, no? Mukhang bubutas pa to sa trendline support natin. Let's see. Pag ito bumutas pa, let's try to find where could this possibly go. Meron tayong support at 1.618. Make sure we have that week to week. Actually, doon na nga siya na possible mag-bounce, no? You use your micro Fibonacci to identify, gamitan nyo lang yan, where could this possibly bounce. Gamitan nyo ng mga micro Fibonacci ninyo and you do backtesting. Okay? So, medyo marami na tayo na coin, na chart, no? Bitcoin, Ethereum, we were able to chart Luncy, RVN, sino pa ba? Si Sand. Tapos, we were able to chart near 6 na, no? Medyo mabilis tayo mag-chart, no? So, dapat ganyan ka, Miranda, no? Kailangan mabilis ka mag-chart, no? Para nasasabayan mo, na-chart mo yung ano. Kaya, paano ko ba nakuha yan, no? Paano ba yung ibang mentors nakuha yan? Ba't mabilis na sila mag-chart? Siyempre, practice, no? Practice. You have to set specific number of charts whenever you're going to trade, or whenever you're going to be on your trading. Let's say you are beginner, have a time, no? Give it a time, or make time for it. Siguro lastly, we're going to chart OP, no? Kasi this is one of my watch lists as well. Your last ano na to? Ay, wait lang. 1 second. Chart na pala natin to. Okay, so si OP, let's go to Binance. Ayun, nakita na agad natin. Oh, may support doon. So we have a support around the 0.618 area. Around 618. Support. And then, hintayin nyo to, no? Hintayin nyo to. Tingnan natin. So this is a 618 line, Miranda, no? But let me go to daily again. Let's see kung meron tayong nakikitang trendline support. Wala. Okay. Huwag natin ipipilit, no? Pag ganyan, huwag nyo na ipipilit, guys, no? Pag ayaw. Hayaan nyo na. Si Charles kasi. There, no? So, we have a support here over, nire-retest natin yan ngayon. For OP, what I will do is look for a bounce. 15 minutes, may right hand. Not gonna use this. I'll try to use this instead. So hindi, no. Look for bounce areas, no. Look for bounce area. So you are already on a major support. Okay? You're on a major support already. Okay, so wait for that line, no? That is, just to take note of that, that will be at 1.0941. Sakto nyo na lang, no? Get your Fibonacci from swing low to swing high. Sabayan nyo ako mag-chart ngayon para kayo ay updated, no? Mentor, is it okay to chart using Binance sa TradingView while trading sa BingX? I'll recommend you to use BingX kasi there's minimal difference sa price in terms of price. Konti lang naman. Pero I'll recommend, kunyari, for example, ako, 'di ba, I do have yung kanina, yung OP ko that was for BingX kasi I was trading in BingX. 'Di ba? I was trading in BingX. Pero kapag nagte-trade ka sa let's say Binance, then you use Binance source. No, dito ka, ito BingX to, 'di ba? Lahat BingX kasi I trade in BingX. Galing ng pasok ha, masasaktan ka lang pag ipipilit mo. Yeah, wow, mabilis. Mag-chart pati humugot. Excited to enroll. Malaman ko na yung oras na yan at confirmation candle. Ayun. Excited na rin kami, Faith, no? To see you in the class, no? See you in our class. So siguro we're done with the charting today. Ano ba ang ating pag-uusapan, no? I want to talk about on getting out of your comfort zone since tinuturo din natin 'yan sa ating class, no? Sa beginners class natin, no? So I want to be able to guide you on that, no? Kasi sometimes tayo as a human, we tend to, think inside the box lang, no? Think inside the box. What do I mean by thinking inside the box? Yung parang we're too afraid to take risk. We're too afraid to get out of our comfort zone kasi that's a human nature for us to na magstay lang doon kasi doon tayo komportable. 'Di ba? So, type 1 kung kayo ay ganyan, no? Kayo ay ganyan. Na takot tayo mag-take ng risk at to get out of our comfort zone. Ayan, Faith, message mo si Charles. Yeah, message Charles or go to our Facebook, Global Miranda Miner group. Okay? Ayun nga, no? Like what I've said, no? Dun sa pinag-uusapan natin, what are the things na if you get out of your comfort zone, what are the benefit, no? What are the benefits, no, actually, na pwede mong makuha on getting out of your comfort zone? Of course, unang-una, you will be able to think outside the box. You will be able to challenge yourself. Kasi for example, ako, when I was in a corporate, then I took the risk, no? I get out of my comfort zone to be a full-time trader. It's not easy, but that's something, it's gonna be the universe testing you with your new skills. So, ibig sabihin, if you get out of your comfort zone, regardless kung trading man yan or whatever, kung gusto mo mag-start ng business, kung gusto mo man mag-artista o whatever, kung ano man pangarap mo sa buhay, and if you're feeling na you really want it, kaso natatakot ka kasi, baka hindi para sa akin yan, hindi para sa akin to. From there, you will be able to learn new skill sets. Okay, you will be able to learn new skill sets. And bakit ba that's one of the benefits of that, no? Sa getting out of your comfort zone. So, pangalawa is you will be able to you'll be able to learn new or get to know a lot of people. Kasi syempre, if you move into a different environment, let's say you are staying here in Manila tapos you moved out to Cebu. Iba-iba yung makikilala mo. So, different connections, different network. Meaning, if you do have a different network, it's a double-edged sword. So, it could help you grow or it could help you, go down, no? Or it could break you. Ganun lang naman yun eh. So, that's the second thing. So, like what I've said, no? Bakit ko napasok yun? Kasi, when I moved into a full-time trading, doon ko nakilala sila, coach, no? That's the reason why I have this type of networks. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Yung network mo is your network. Di ba? So, ano pa, marami, sobrang dami. You'll learn new skills, you'll get new connections. But end of the day, siguro ang pinaka-importanting gawin dyan is don't be afraid to try new things, no? Just like what if you are a beginner right now in trading, don't be afraid, no? Minsan kasi tayo, we are being too emotional, no? And you know, dumaan din naman ako diyan, no? And some other mentors for sure. They're being too emotional. Na kunyari for example, sa trading lagi ako natatalo, parang hindi para sa akin 'to. Pagkatapos nun, aalis ka na agad, ayaw mo na, magi-give up ka na agad. And that's something na hindi pwedeng mangyari, 'di ba? Kasi this is my tip for you, Miranda, or sa viewers natin, no? I want you to find something that speaks to you. What do I mean by that? Let's say for example, you want to try photography, you want to try hiking. Nag-enjoy ka ba doon? If it speaks to you, if trading speaks to you, then you give your 100% shot. Hindi pwede yung nasa shallow part ka pa lang, give up ka na agad. Diba? Nasa shallow, you're just testing the waters lang, give up ka na agad. Parang nanliligaw ka, diba? Nanliligaw ka pa lang. Parang ganito yan eh. If pag nanliligaw ka, diba? Hindi mo naman tatanungin, pwede ba manligaw? Diba? Kailangan, call action ka agad. Kasi pag tinanong mo, tas pwede ba manligaw, tapos sinabi sa'yo, hindi, edi busted ka na agad. Diba? So you have to test it first. Just like in trading, you have to test it first and give your 100% shot. Diba? You give your 100% shot through it. After nun, kapag nakita mo na, and it will take a lot of time, alright? It's not going to happen. Some traders were able to do it. 6 months, 5 months lang profitable na, but yung market paiba-iba, no? It's really different every day, different every month. So, noong nakaraan taon, bullish tayo, bull run tayo, but right now we're on a bear market. So, iba-iba siya eh. Diba? Iba-iba siya. So, it will really take time kasi there's a lot of things that you have to do, no? Or you have to master. Emotions, risk management, system, and yung system at yung how to handle emotions, kami na mag-guide sa'yo dyan, lalo na sa system. Diba? Lalo na sa system. And trading community. So those are the things. You have to have a list or checklist ng, kunyari, you want to become a really, really profitable trader. And gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng, ng 9 to 5 or time and financial freedom. Then, ang gawin mo is to list down things. Ano ba yung mga makakatulong dun? You have to disconnect to other people, then you do it. Kung tingin mo, hindi sila nakakatulong sa ano mo. Right? Do you have to unfollow? Sinturo din namin sa university yon, yung filtering. Diba? But if you are trading right now and then nakikita mo that you are still not profitable and you're still trying to get your breakthrough, nakakita ka pa rin ng problem sa opportunity mo in terms of journaling, in terms of technical charting and everything, then that's the reason why we have this type of live, Miranda. Kung enroll ka na, 'di ba? Kunyari, gumraduate ka na, tapos enroll ka na. Tapos tingin mo nahihirapan ka pa din. Feel free to reach out, no? Feel free to reach out. And that is the same exact reason why we're having GMMG mornings. Why si coach laging nagla-live ng 9 PM. Why sometimes we do have a emergency live. Diba? Tama ba, Miranda? Type 1 naman, no, kung nagustuhan nyo yung topic natin right now. And this is Friday. Today is Friday. What I want you guys to do is to reflect on what happened nung weekdays rather. And then, wag nyong i-force yung mga trades nyo right now. Don't force your trades right now. Kasi, if you're not, like what I've said sa live kagabi, no, if you are not comfortable with this type of market, sometimes the best trades that you can have is not trading at all. Diba? Or having possession is also a possession. Controlled loss is also a win. So you wait for bread and butter setups, you wait for those type of setups. Hindi mo kailangan mag-trade. Let the market simmer. Katulad ng sinabi ni Coach sa ano kanina, sa reminder niya sa atin, di ba? Let the market simmer. Ang gawin nyo, kapag nag-profit na kayo, takay ng Tagaytay. Mag-ano kayo, mag-unwind kayo doon. Unwind kayo doon. Magkape kayo, treat nyo yung family ninyo. Di ba? And that's one thing that I've learned kay Coach, no? How to, you need to enjoy your profits. That's the carrot and stick approach. You have to enjoy your profits. Hindi pwedeng kailangan meron kang diversion. Hindi laging panay trading lang, hindi pwedeng nakatutok ka lang sa chart all the time. Okay? So thank you for 250 plus viewers, no? At sa mga nag-stay tuned natin, I think that will wrap up our session today, no? See you sa ano natin, no? See you sa ating with special friend. Wait lang. Ready lang natin yung ano natin, soundtrack natin, of course. So special someone. Just give me a second, guys.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Yan, tama, mag-withdraw ng profits. Yeah.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Guys, by the way, before we wrap up this, we still have 5 minutes, no? Pa-check naman kung gumagana yung like button.
Blood in circulation, one step at a time.
Pa-check lang, dali. Kung gumagana.
Control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
And by the way, Miranda, no, so yung couple of announcements before we wrap up the show, literally. Open University, please invite your friends again. Let's watch Coach Miranda Miners live later at 9 p.m. Tapos yung batch 39 later on at 12, no? Yung mga see you guys in a couple of hours. And doon, excited na ako kasi nandun si Coach, no? Nandun si Coach. Gumagana daw. Yun, very good. Ayaw ba gumana, Lux? I love you, mentor Justin. GB. Anong GB? So shout out to Jake, Bri, thank you Kuya Charles, thank you sa pag-join, mga moderators natin, and thank you for those who are watching since start kanina, no? It's been an hour lang pero it's been, a pleasure to me, thank you guys so much.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Yun lang Miranda, no? In behalf of Coach Miranda Miner, Coach, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be able to talk to these folks, to mga Miranda natin. Mentor Oliver, happy birthday or belated happy birthday sa'yo, no? Tayo ay mag-enjoy ng profits and enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the weekend, guys. Have your favorite alcohol. Goodbye, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I love you guys. 3000.